Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Anker Soundcore P3i with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, you have to remember to charge your earbuds for like 20 or 30 minutes and the previously connected devices turned off. Then open this charging case, click and hold this button on the bottom of your case until this indicator starts blinking like that, and you can release that button. Keep that case open, then go to the settings, go for the Bluetooth, turn it on by tapping on the switcher and select Anker Soundcore P3i from the available devices list. When you are successfully connected, you can also go to the App Store and go for the search and find Anker Soundcore. Click search and let's get this application. In my case, I have to update it, so just wait a little bit. Right now we can open. I'm gonna skip this account. I don't want to create account. And as you can see, we have to add the device. We have to activate this. Okay, we don't even have to. Looks like they are automatically detected. Let's click X and there we are. We are successfully connected right now. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.